Hey everybody, it's me, Terry the Tester, and today I'm here to test things for you today. Well, today I went to the store and I got a haircut and I started looking for a comment, what someone left in a comment. What some A man named Dodge Dyson writes Kombucha. So I looked and someone helped me and they pointed me to the health section and I found the kombucha. And you know it's healthy because it has 9 billion living probiotics in it. So you know that it's healthy. So let's try it out. Tastes like alcohol.